Let's get our weekend vibe going by enjoying our peri peri chicken loaded fries. So fast and very important, ensure that your fries are very hot straight from the hot oil onto your plate. Then season them very well. Make sure that the seasoning is on point. Then go ahead and grate cheese. As much cheese as you want, it's up to you. I'm using cheddar and mozzarella. Once you're satisfied with the amount of cheese, go ahead and layer on your peri peri chicken. Go ahead and layer as much of the chicken as you'd like. This recipe is highly customizable. Then slather the peri peri sauce. You can get this recipe for the peri peri sauce on my YouTube channel or right here on Instagram TV where I've made the peri peri pork chops. Then next, let's keep on layering the goodness by adding guacamole onto the fries. Guys, this will add some extra layer of creaminess. Then finally, just kick back and enjoy your cheesy loaded fries. I'm hoping that I succeeded in making your day better and putting a smile on your face by posting this meal. Until next time, please keep it Jikonimagic. Bye bye.